In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Photopea, a free online image editor that's similar to Photoshop. So whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Photopea. If you're unfamiliar with it, Photopea is an intuitive and incredibly powerful online editing tool that can be accessed simply through your browser without the need to download any software. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to tweak, edit, or enhance their images without spending a dime. Once you've opened Photopea, you should have your project or image loaded and ready to go. If you haven't already, simply drag and drop your file into the workspace, or click on File followed by Open to get started. Now the key task here is to select the text that you want to underline. First, navigate to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the Text tool. It usually displays a capital T icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once selected, click on the area in your project where your text resides or where you'd like to add new text. If it's already there, just highlight the text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This ensures that whatever changes we apply will only affect the chosen text. Next, direct your attention to the top of the workspace and find the menu labeled Character. Clicking this will open a panel that provides a plethora of text editing options, much like paints, fonts, and styles in other editing software. Here, among these options, you'll notice a button for Underline. Simply click on it, and just like that, your text will have an underline applied. That's essentially all there is to it. You've now successfully underlined text in Photopea. This tool is not only easy, but also quite versatile, making it extremely handy for quick, small projects or even larger graphic design tasks. To wrap everything up, double-check your newly underlined text to make sure it looks just right and matches the style you're going for. If you're satisfied, be sure to save your project. You can do this by clicking on File and then Export As to choose your desired file format, be it JPEG, PNG, or otherwise, and save it to your computer. And there you have it. Underlining text in Photopea is really that simple, and it's a great skill to add to your design toolkit. It can emphasize important text or just lend a stylish touch to your designs. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to explore all the other exciting tools that Photopea has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.